This tricky looking SAT problem can actually be solved using Desmos. Let me show you how. We're given the XY plane shows the graph of a parabola and segment AB, which is translated A units to the left. For how many integer values of A does the segment AB intersect the graph of the parabola? So what I'm going to do is first graph this parabola. How can I figure out what the graph of that parabola is? Well, I can put in a table and then I can just put some of the points I have. So for example, I have the point of negative 4, 0, and then I have negative 3, 1, and negative 5, 1. So I'll do negative 5, comma 1, and then I'll do negative 4, comma 0, and then negative 3, comma 1. And then if I click this line and click quadratic, it'll give me this equation, 1x squared plus x plus 8x plus 16, right? And so now I can just delete this. And so that will give me this graph. And then what I can do is graph A and B. So what I'm going to do is write that A equals, and that point is 3, comma 4, and then I'll label this as A. And then I'm going to write that B equals, and then I'm going to write this as 5, comma 4, right? 5, comma 4. And then what I'm going to do is write polygon A, comma B to write a line between those two, right? And now what I can do is to move this to the left by A units, I'm just going to say that the X value is equal to 3 minus A. And now if I just add a slider for A, I need to then say that A has to be at least 0 because we have to move it at least 0 points to the left, right? And let's say it goes up to 100, and the step is going to be 1 because A must be an integer. And so now all I have to do is move A around and see how many times it intersects, right? So if I look here, it's going to intersect once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, right? So the answer there would have been 6, right? And so that is how you do that question in Desmos.